Hello everyone, welcome to Chem India Academy. Today in this video we are going to discuss part 2 of TIFR organic spectroscopy previous year question solution. Okay, so this first question is from TIFR 2016. So in this question we have to find out the correct splitting pattern for 1,1-dibromethane. So first draw the structure of 1,1-dibromethane. So structure for 1,1-dibromethane is this hydrogen atom. Okay, this is bromine. Okay, now all these are hydrogen atoms. So there are total two types of proton. Okay, this is HA type and this is HB type. So this all these proton will be splitting according to n+1 rule, where n is the number of adjacent where n is the proton number of proton on adjacent carbon atom. So for one HA proton at adjacent carbon, total three types of proton. So that will give 3 plus 1, that is 4, means one HA proton will be splitted as quartet. Okay, and due to only one hydrogen atom, this intensity of the peak will be the lower. Okay, so this intensity will be small. And if you look at the 3 HB signal, so this 3 HB will have the doublet. Okay, due to only one hydrogen atom present at the adjacent carbon atom. So due to larger number of hydrogen atom, this will give the largest signal of doublet. So our option D is the correct answer. Next question from TFR 2016. So in this question we have to find out the correct structure of the compound. Okay, which the compound A shows the doublet and septet. So only one option B has the compound which can show doublet and septet. If we draw the structure of this, then this is the CH3. Okay, CH3. Here is the hydrogen and this is chlorine. And this both the CH3 will be equivalent. So they are HA type proton. Okay, and this is HB type. So this HB will have the total 6 equivalent proton at adjacent carbon atom. So one HB will be splitted as septet. Okay, and this all these 6 hydrogen atom which are type HA having the only one hydrogen atom at adjacent carbon atom. So it will give doublet. So only option B having the compound which shows doublet and septet. So option B is the correct answer. Now next question from the TFR 2016. So in this question we have to find out the correct structure of the compound. So first draw the structure of the all these options. Okay, then look at the IR spectra. This IR value indicate that the compound contain OH group. Okay, so this option numbers, the ether will be incorrect answer. So either these three options will be correct. Now look at the NMR data. So 1H NMR spectra has total 3 singlets. Okay, 3 singlet. But if you look at this option 1,5 pentanediol, then all these hydrogen atom will give the multiplets, because this 2H will give the triplet due to this 2 hydrogen atom. Okay, so due to this triplet our compound have only our compound has only 3 singlets. So this is the wrong option. If you look at the option number this 2,4 pentanediol, then this 2 proton will also give the triplet, because these adjacent carbon atom are the equivalent which having 2 HA proton, means that will also plated as the these 2 hydrogen will be splitted as the triplet. Okay, so this compound will also not give all this singlet. So this is also wrong option. So only this option is the correct answer. So correct option will be the C. Okay, and if you look at here, the both the HA proton which are the alcoholic protons are the HA proton which are equivalent, so that will give the singlet. Then next this 2 proton of HB type, they will also give the singlet due to there is no hydrogen atom at the adjacent carbon atom. Also this CH3 proton of type C, okay, that will also give the singlet because there is no hydrogen atom at the adjacent carbon atom. So our correct answer will be the option number C. Now next question from the TFR 2016. So in this question we have to find out the compound which shows only one signal. If you look draw the structure, then you will get answer your correct answer. Okay, this pentane will show pentane having total equivalent proton as follows, that is A type proton, then this is B type, and this is C type. So pentane have total 3 types of proton, that will give the 3 signal. Okay, then in 2-methyl butane there are total A type, B type, C type and D type. So this is having 4 types of proton, that will give 4 signal in a spectra. Now next question, next compound has group which is attached at sp3 carbon atoms. Okay, and all these methyl group are the equivalent, so all these proton are the equivalent proton. Okay, so there are total 12 Ha proton, that will give this singlet, because there is no hydrogen atom at this adjacent carbon atom. So only option C is the correct answer. Now next question from TFR 2014. So in this question we have to find out the frequency of the sample. Okay, and they given the frequency of operating frequency, that is frequency of machine will be 300 megahertz. Okay, so we have the value for doublet chemical shift. Okay, that is 2.208 and 2.142. The chemical shift value for this doublet will be 2.208 minus 2.142. Okay, so if you calculate this value, it will be 0.066. Okay, ppm. So we have to find out the frequency of sample, and frequency of sample will be calculated as frequency of sample divided by operating frequency, which is equal to delta value. Okay, and this delta value will be in ppm, this frequency of sample in hertz, and operating frequency in megahertz. So just find out the frequency of sample equal to delta value into operating frequency, which is equal to 0.066 into 300, which will be around 19.8 hertz. Okay, so our correct answer will be the option number A. Now next question from TFR 2013. So in this question we have to find out the correct structure of the compound. So this C3S7NO shows that the following NMR data. Okay, so this broad singlet indicates that the hydrogen atom are attached to the highly electronegative atom like oxygen or nitrogen. But if you look at the option number C, this hydrogen is attached to the carbonyl group. Okay, like this CO. There is no direct attachment to the electronegative atom, so this D will not give the broad spectra, this will give the sharp spectra. So D is the wrong option. Now next, if you check, there are total 2 signal, that is quartet signal and triplet signal. So only this option C will have this 2 types of signal, that is quartet and triplet. This CH3 will have adjacent carbon atom 2 types of protons, so CH3 will be splitted as the triplet, and this CH2 having the total 3 types of hydrogen atom at methyl group. Okay, so this CH2 will be splitted as the quartet. Okay, and this NH2 proton will give splitted as a singlet. So only this option will be having the 2H singlet. Okay, then 2H quartet and 3H triplet. Okay, so our option number C is the correct answer. Okay, now next question from the TFR 2012. So in this question we have to find out the correct structure of the compound from the splitting pattern. So our compound has the doublet, septet and doublet. Okay, so now if you look at the structure A, option A, the compound CH3 CH, okay, this is CH3 and CH2X. So these 2 methyl group are the equivalent, so the proton are the equivalent proton. Then this is B type of proton and this is the C type proton. So this will give total 3 types of signal. Okay, so this A might be correct option. If you look at this B structure, then there are total all these 3 A types of proton. Okay, this CH3 group, because this carbon atom is attached to these 3 CH3 group which are equivalent. Oh, so all these CH3 atom having proton are the equivalent. Then this is B type and this is the C type. Okay, but for this 9 hydrogen atom, there is no hydrogen atom on this adjacent carbon atom, so this 9H will give the singlet, and in our option there is no singlet, so B is the incorrect option. If you look at the option number C, there are total A, B, okay, C and D, so total 4 types of signal, but our options having only 3 types of signal, so C is also incorrect. If you look at the option number D, there is A, B, C and D. So this is also containing 4 types of signal. This is also wrong option. So our correct answer will be the A. Now this CH3 will give the, if you draw the structure of this option number A, this is the structure of this option number A. Okay, so this 6 hydrogen atom will give the doublet. Okay, due to this 6 hydrogen atom, this intensity of this doublet will be higher. Now this 1H proton having total 6 adjacent hydrogen atoms, so this 1H will give the septate. So this is the septate for this, and this 2 hydrogen will having only 1 hydrogen atom at adjacent carbon atom, so this 2 hydrogen will give the triplet. Okay, hence, sorry, this 2 hydrogen will have only 1 adjacent hydrogen atom, so this CH2 will give the doublet with low intensity. Now next question, so our correct answer will be the option number A. Okay, now next question from the TFR 2011. So in this question we have to find out the total number of carbon 13 NMR signal. Okay, the compound shows total 5 peaks. If you look at the option number D directly, you get total 5 types of carbon atom, because this carbon is attached to both CH3 group, and both this CH3 group are the equivalent. Okay, this is A type, and this carbon is B type, C type, D type and E type. If you look at calculate the total number of non-equivalent carbon atom, then this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So option D having only 5 types of carbon atoms, so this will give total 5 signals. Okay, now next question from the TFR 2010. So in this question we have to find out the highest energy transition. Okay, so if you look at the energy order for this electrons, this is the sigma, pi, then non-bonding, pi star and sigma star. So if you look at this, then there is the highest transition between sigma to sigma star. So this sigma to sigma star having the highest transition energy. So next question is from TFR 2010. So in this question we have to find out the total number of proton decoupled carbon 13 NMR spectrum. Okay, signals. So we have to ignore the 1H NMR signals. Okay, so we have to just calculate the total number of non-equivalent carbon atom, that will give the total number of signal in a proton decoupled carbon 13 NMR spectra. So there are total A, B, C, D, E. Okay, these two CH3 group will be equivalent. So total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so total 5 types of signal will be appeared. Now next question from the TFR 2010. So in this question we have to find out uh, the isotopes of the Br2 plus. Okay, so if you the Br2 plus having the mass numbers 158, 160 and 162. So if we take the isotope bromine isotope 79 and 80, then summation of this 158. If we took the isotope 80 and 81, then its summation will be the 160. If we took both the 81 isotopes, then its value will be 162. So our bromine, the bromine atom which are present in Br2 plus molecule is all these 3 types of isotope. Okay, 79, then 81 and 80 Br. Okay, so our correct answer will be the D. Now next question from the TFR 2010. So in this question we have to find out the compounds which shows highest upfield proton NMR spectrum. Okay, so this nitro is the highly electron withdrawing group, so this will show the upfield. Okay, so if you look at these options, only option number C has A2 at upfield direction, so option C is the correct answer. Okay, in this question we have to find out the compound which shows total 5 NMR signal. Okay, in a proton decoupled carbon 13 NMR spectrum. So total we have to neglect the NMR spectra, 1H NMR spectra. Okay, so we have to find out the total number of different non-equivalent carbon atom. Okay, so only option number A, if you look at the option number A, there is a plane of symmetry which is passing through this carbon atom. Okay, then this is first type of carbon, then this is second, this is third, this is fourth. Okay, and these two carbon atom are the, okay, this is the fifth type of carbon atom. Okay, fifth type of carbon atom. So option A having total 5 types of carbon atom. Okay, so only A option having the first structure included. Okay, the only A option having only one and third. Okay, so option A will contain first structure, means our option A will be the correct answer. Now next I am going to made video on organic spectroscopy previous year question on which are asked in a CSIR net examination. Okay,